So I know that there's a lot of different ways that you can wear the sleeves. I'm sure you guys will get creative, but I'm gonna show you my favorite way to put them on. So your sleeves are gonna come like this. What I like to do is I like to make a gap between the two sleeves, and then I'm going to attach it to the top ring by taking this piece off. This applies to both the dress and the bodysuit because the top structure is the exact same. Now with the two sleeves split apart, make sure that the tag is facing you. You are going to take this string and put it in front of the necktie and through the loop. Then you're going to take the loop and bring it back around in front of the necktie. Put the necktie above your head and then take the two straps and tie them behind your neck. How I do it is I just slide my arm right on in. Then I just take the sleeves, I slide them to the back of my neck, and then they fit perfectly.